I think we popped more than we blew up.
I think Ginger was chasing one today in the backyard.
What was that? What was that? Oh, why don't you use all that hot air for blowing up a balloon?
Because it's too small.
No, you don't have enough wind?
There we go.
Sounds like a bottle rocket.
Because you are one. Because when you fart, you sound like a bottle rocket.
Yeah, when I fart.
My hands sparkle.
Let's see. Oh, they got copper on it or brass
From the balloons.
from the nozzle.
From the balloons. They sparkle.
The balloons sparkle?
Uh-huh.
They do?
Bubble gum, bubble gum. Bubble gum, Daddy. Daddy!
What?
Bubble
Where?
gum.
Oh, gosh.
Bubble gum. Here you go, Daddy.
Where?
Some bubble gum?
No. I got some.
Yeah. Big old. Yeah. Big old oak tree. Hi, Christy. Do what?
Hi, Christy.
Sure does.
Get in there.
Daddy!
What?
My balloon, I got four balloons ready.
Oh, in other words, stop taking pictures of Crystal? It's a party favor, huh?
Nobody's son happy birthday. Said nobody's son happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Oh,
6, I think. Isn't he? Back me up on this one, Eddie. Whoops, almost ripped it there. That's nice. That looks good. That's it. Pretty good, isn't he? He's good at something now, isn't he? Opening my beer, that's a real moment there, wasn't it? Huh? Let's save that one. Yeah, no doubt.
What time you gotta leave? My hair?
No, the cops. Oh. Scalping, get it?
Daddy doesn't have any hair.
Not,
Well, when you go this route, it don't really matter anymore, does it? Get the razor.
I think we could get a marker and make you a V-shaped thing here and you'd look real good, you know?
Go get some brown spray paint.
Yeah.
Paint my head like they got on TV now.
Yeah. Well, I think we should do like Saturday Night Live, make you a chia head, like a chia pet.
Like a chia pet. Oh, I see
Yeah,
that.
plant you some green sprout hair.
Look at that, Debbie can do something. How about that?
Tom could be your chia pet.
she's got a baby shower.
Hey, I got an idea. Seth, you don't have to do anything. You're ready? Seth, sit down.
Ready? Should put him in the middle.
Yeah, put him in the middle. Good idea.
There you go.
Wait a minute. He's still a boy, 6 years old.
How old are you, Seth?
I'm turning 7.
Are you? Okay, he's going on 7. He's 6. Mm-hmm. No, he's just getting his keys.
Oh, okay.
He's just getting his keys.
No, I don't threaten nobody. I just
Alright.
make it a point.
Come on, Tiger.
Just relight it when you get it on the table.
Understand this.
We want to get a picture of it.
We're going to sing happy birthday or not?
That's the camera.
Cue us.
Happy
Cue us, Joe.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
More wind you think?
Make a wish, Crystal. Blow them out.
Must be one breath.
How long to blow me out, dude?
That's good.
We got wax on it.
Oh, that.
Nice, some nice little wax.
I have plenty of forks in there yet.
Ooh.
You don't.
Neither do I. I don't like it that
They
word.
put you in.
Seth doesn't
Do you
like
like icy?
He doesn't like it.
I don't like it.
Christmas. What you got? Let's see that again. Who's that from?
I don't know.
We're supposed to read card first.
I don't like it.
I didn't hear my birthday card, for God's sake.
I didn't either, so don't
I
feel
said I
bad.
didn't hear no birthday card.
Would you stop asking me what it is? I don't know what it is. It's a gift certificate.
Who's it from?
What?
You know, I knew it was like that when they
Ooh,
built that. I guess.
Who's it from?
Well, I think it was Eddie when they built that house in 19
Certificate.
What's that?
concrete basement
Get
stairs
some
were
school
originally
clothes now,
outside.
can't you?
Yeah.
They used to have the concrete stairs outside when you went to the,
Thank you.
you know, like that cellar or something.
Grandma's already
And
clothes, but
they
I
put it on
don't
there
know.
before they did a
I
half-ass
put
job.
them back in her bedroom.
Plumbing, the ductwork,
I'm
the
opening
carpet
your
they used to use
napkin
some
wrap
used
first.
materials.
Okay.
Used wood, and they scabbed it on. They really did
Yeah,
a
I'll
shitty
give you some
job.
scissors.
Yeah, she'll have money to...
As a matter of fact,
Plus some
when I
tissue
moved,
paper.
wow.
She's really
Well,
right.
you know, but I know how to do most of that stuff too, so you know, it wasn't any big deal. I'll get around to it.
My husband is next. Wow. What? What is it? Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Who's that from?
Grandma,
Oh, she got a pretty watch.
What is it?
it's a watch. And then a necklace.
What kind of watch?
Oh, my goodness. You're getting
Mickey Mouse watch.
All right.
Mickey Mouse watch.
Now you got one on your computer and one on your wrist.
Oh, you're getting a lot of pretty stuff.
Ruby. Yeah, a little
My
heart.
birthstone.
Let me see that.
It's a ruby with a little, heart.
What?
Okay, now I get to open it.
Well, isn't that pretty? That's pretty.
Oops. This off.
This is
Condenser or
Where's the
evaporator?
top to this?
Oh, what kind of truck?
Who's on
it's right there.
What year?
Ah,
Ooh, I like this one.
Yeah, it's the one under the dash,
What's
right?
that? Is that a game?
Outburst
In front of the radiator?
Oh,
Oh, in front of the
I
radiator, right?
played it.
That's the condenser.
Yeah, I played it.
oh, that's nice.
What is it?
A game.
What kind of game? Card game?
It's a junior game.
My next little twin. How do you play it? How do you play it?
You ask, you ask questions and then you answer.
Oh, you do? Well, I wouldn't be very good at
Just for
that.
kids 7
I said I wouldn't be very good at that.
and you're almost there.
But she got a lot of pretty jewelry, didn't she?
uh-huh.
Almost seven.
That was a pendant too, wasn't it?
Another little necklace. Grandpa made her a jewelry box, so now she's got some jewelry to put in it.
That pretty one too.
Look.
Grandma got us some clothes. Did you see them? Oh,
No,
She got them in the
she's
house.
been busy since I got here.
They're all too little, I think.
No, they're not.
You don't think
They're
they're?
10s and 12s.
Eric.
You think they'd be all right?
Yes.
I gotta erase that.
Not nice.
I gotta erase that.